Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Starfield on PC or laptop. In order to download and start playing Starfield on PC, first of all, you have to access or download Steam. Only through Steam you'll be able to download the game. Open up a browser, type in steampowered.com, and it's going to take you to the official page. And while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on install Steam, and as you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and press on install Steam. As you click on it, the exe file is going to load up. Then you have to locate the file location and then install or run the installation. When you're done installing it, you have to create your account, and when you're done creating an account, log in. And when you are logged into your account, go to stores from the top right hand side section, and on the search box, you're going to locate the game that is Starfield. Type in that. And when you locate the game, then go ahead and double press on it. It's going to take you to the info section, which is going to look something like this. And here you could go ahead and read all of these information, all that in, and continue the procedure. So click on add to cart and go ahead and click on view my cart. When you've done that, it's going to take you to the where you can go ahead and check out. So here, go ahead and click on continue to payment, add your payment details and all that, and you'll have successfully bought the game. As you're done buying the game, or that you've already bought the game, then you have to create your account and you can start playing Starfield on PC or laptop. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.